Hey everyone, is PowerShell behaving strangely, showing unexpected errors, or not working the way it should? Resetting PowerShell settings can often fix problems caused by incorrect profiles, custom configurations, or third-party modules. In this full guide, I'll show you how to safely reset PowerShell settings on Windows. So let's get started. First, close every open PowerShell window. This ensures no settings or profile files are in use while you reset them. Next, open a new PowerShell session and check whether a profile file exists by running the following command. Profile. This displays the location of your PowerShell profile, which stores custom settings and startup commands. If the profile file exists, rename it instead of deleting it. This creates a backup while allowing PowerShell to generate a fresh profile automatically. Rename item profile back. If the file doesn't exist, you can skip this step. If the issue is caused by a third-party module, list your installed modules and remove the one causing problems. Get installed module, uninstall module, module name. Replace module name with the name of the module you want to remove. Now close PowerShell and open it again. PowerShell will automatically create a new default profile if the old one was renamed. Finally, test a few basic commands to confirm PowerShell is working normally. Get location, get process, PS version table. If these commands work without errors, your PowerShell settings have been successfully reset. And that's how to reset PowerShell settings on Windows. By restoring the default profile and removing problematic customizations, you can solve many common PowerShell issues without reinstalling the application. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.